Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change notes color on Instagram. So first of all, you need to open App Store and make sure you are using the latest version of Instagram, because this feature is only available in the newest versions of Instagram, so update the app if you need it. Then close the App Store and go back to Instagram. Here, as the Instagram is open, click on the chat menu in the bottom side of the screen, the middle button, and here are all of your chats. So here basically we need to start creating our note. So click on little what's new text right above your profile picture right here to start creating your note. So basically, to change the color of this note, we need to simply hold for a while in the middle of the screen, right in our profile picture. Just simply hold for a while with your finger, and you will have this menu. So you can scroll here and choose the color of the note that you like. For example, green, red, blue, it doesn't matter. So I'll go with the purple. And then all you have to do is to simply click on apply button and start typing your note and then share it with your friends. And basically that is it. That is how you can change notes color on Instagram. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.